All new at 4, it's case of Judge v. Judge. A former Charlotte judge is taking one of her former colleagues to court over defamation claims.
Kimberly Best is claiming an incident where she allegedly assaulted a delivery driver should have never been reported to judicial officials. Queen City News Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes joins us in studio with his analysis on the case.
Khalif, walk us through here what happened on this. We remember this story that came out last year, but what was the situation?
We're in the middle of election season last year, if we take our minds back to there, and then this incident occurred, and I'm extremely familiar with that area. If you drive by the courthouse down that street, you'll see a big steel wall, and behind that wall, there's a loading ramp, and to the right, that's kind of another steel wall for where the judges go. I used to park in that same direction. It's not very big. It's very tight. And so what alleged to have happened is she was Judge Best was trying to get around the delivery driver's truck, and at some point scraped her car on the delivery driver's truck. There was an altercation that got out. She allegedly pushed the driver, and then the driver was attempting to take pictures of her vehicle and her vehicle's license plate. And at that point, Judge Best is alleged to have slapped the driver's phone out of her hand. And so that incident is kind of what sparked this entire thing. Her getting reported to the Judicial Commission, I believe, is now how she's filed this defamation claim against Judge Bell.
Okay, so like you mentioned, she's under investigation by the State Judicial Standards Commission related to that whole incident. So, can she even go to court over this?
Well, we're looking at two different things. And so this Judicial Standards Commission is a four-person body. You got 4 judges, 6 judges, 4 attorneys, and then 4 non-judges or non-attorneys. And so 4 everyday citizens. And it's made up of folks that can listen to hearings and listen to allegations of misconduct and make a decision. In some of those decisions, they can make a public reprimand, they can make a censure, a suspension, or removal from office. And so she can't be suspended because she's already out of office. She can't be removed. And so the worst that could occur is that she can get public reprimand or a censure. And I think that that's probably what will happen, is some type of public reprimand for this incident that occurred. But they also can write her a letter and say, we didn't find that what occurred at this incident was something to the level that you needed reprimand, so we'll just send you a private letter. And it's all private. The public would never know if they go that route. Setting that aside, with the defamation, it's pretty clear. She's alleging that Judge Bell made a false statement that caused some harm to her. It's either did Judge Bell at the time know that the statement she made against Judge Best was false. That's going to be up for the judge or the trier of fact, which would be the jury in that case, to make a determination. It seems from all accounts that the incidents that were alleged, were alleged to have happened. And so I really would like to see what Judge Best is attempting to say Judge Bell didn't know occurred. And that I think time will only tell what she alleged or she's saying didn't happen.
Yeah, we'll also have to see what happens with Best's career after this as well.
Exactly.
Khalif Rhodes, thank you so much for your insight and perspective as always.